Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mr. Russell here again with another instructional video. This time I want to show you how to download some assignments and then you can upload those into your Google Drive. And then we can actually convert those back again to a Word or LibreOffice document and then go ahead and turn it in using Schoology. Now, this is a very helpful tool if you are worried about working on your document, maybe not saving it or forgetting to save it or closing something out. As we all know, that is one nice feature about Google Drive is that it automatically saves all of our work for us. Another nice feature about this is if you're worried about internet connection at home or connectivity problems, you can actually download the assignment. You can actually work on it, save it onto your computer, and then when you get back into where you have Wi-Fi, you can re-upload that into your Google Drive documents there. So pretty simple. We're going to go through a couple steps here, and we'll show you how to get this done. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to go to an actual assignment that we have to do. In the last video, I showed you how to download the assignment and turn it into Schoology. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at that assignment and put that into our Google Drive. Now, first thing we'll do is we'll go to the actual assignment itself. So I'm going to go ahead and left click on the Rome folder, go to the Roman Republic, and then I'm going to look for the folder that has the 12 tables of Rome. And I'm going to go ahead and go into the assignment right here. Now, once I have the assignment turned in, again, here are my submissions, but let's say, for example, we have the assignment, I want to work on it, but I'm afraid to actually work on the computer because, I don't know, maybe I'm going to forget to save it, and I just want to have a copy in my Google Drive. I would always recommend you put a copy in your Google Drive anyway. This way you have it, you have a record of it, and it always stays in your Drive account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and click on the assignment itself. What we did was we already saved it, but going through it, we're going to then locate where do we want this to go. We're going to save it right here to our desktop. It's already named for me, the 12 Tables of Roman Law, Word document. I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and of course, it's going to save it now here on my desktop. The next thing we want to do, now that I have it saved, is I'm going to open up another tab, and we're going to go to the Manor homepage. From the homepage, it's the easiest way to get to your Google Drive account. We're going to go ahead here and click on our Google Drive. Now, once we are inside our Google Drive, what I would suggest that you do is have specific folders for each one of your classes. It'll just help you stay organized, and your folders and files will be right here in the center. And I'm going to go ahead and put this, because we're working on Rome, I'm going to put this document right here in my Rome folder. So as I double click on that folder, now anything that I upload into Google Drive will actually go into the Rome folder. Here's the next thing that you want to do. Anytime you have a document, you can upload that document once it is saved on the computer. If I go up here to the New section and click on New, and instead of actually creating any kind of Google document or a sheet or a slide, I'm going to go to what's called File Upload. And this file upload is the part that I actually have on my desktop, that file that I saved. If I click on File Upload, and I'm going to go ahead and look for it. Well, it was in my desktop. Oh, 12 Tables of Roman Law. That's the second one I downloaded. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Open. And you'll notice that it will start uploading your document for you. Depending on the document, usually a Word document won't take very long. Video or something that's a bigger bandwidth, it's going to take a little bit more time. But if I go ahead and I double click on this document, now I essentially have it here. 12 Tables of Roman Law, here are the 12 tables, and the entire document is uploaded into Google Drive. So anytime I work on the document itself, it will automatically go ahead and save for me. Now, let's fast forward a bit, assuming that I went through and answered all the questions. Well, I don't have a submission button there for Google Drive back in Schoology because I have to turn the assignment in and it's going to look for it on my computer. Well, it's pretty easy to go ahead and convert this document back again to a Word document or LibreOffice document. If you finished your work, what you want to do is you want to go up here to where it says File. And if I left click on File, I'm going to go down here to Download As. And you're going to download it as a Microsoft Word document. And I click on that. And you can, again, specify where you want to name it. Obviously, we're going to name it something a little different so we can find it. It's going here to my desktop. It's named for me. Go ahead and save. And what this is going to do is going to upload it now onto my desktop. So now I've essentially taken the document. I've uploaded it into my Google Drive. I've worked on it. It saves a copy for me in my Drive account, which is perfect. And then now if I need to turn it in, I go ahead and convert it back to a Word document, and now I'm ready to turn it in. So this time I go back to Schoology, and I can go ahead and click Resubmit Assignment yet again. And this time I'm going to do the assignment that I just converted. I click on Upload, File. There is the recent assignment right here. Go ahead and hit Open, Submit, and it's done. So it's pretty simple. It's just a couple steps. We've used this instructional video to help you, again, download that assignment, convert it into a Google Doc. I would strongly suggest doing that with all your documents. This way it keeps track, or at least keeps a record for you. You have all of that work in your Drive account, and then you can very easily convert it back to a Word document and then turn it in through Schoology. All right, guys. Well, thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.